Google Magic Eraser, a step-by-step guide. Google's Magic Eraser, a feature integrated into Google Photos, has revolutionized the way we edit our photos. This powerful tool allows users to effortlessly remove unwanted elements from their images, making them look cleaner and more professional. In this article, we'll delve into the history of Magic Eraser, provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use it, and compare it to similar technologies. We'll also share a humorous tale about a man named Vinny who had a surprising encounter with Magic Eraser. A brief history of Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser was introduced as part of Google Photos' suite of editing tools in 2021. The feature quickly gained popularity due to its intuitive interface and impressive results. Leveraging advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, Magic Eraser can accurately identify and remove objects from images without leaving noticeable artifacts. How to use Magic Eraser. Open Google Photos, launch the Google Photos app on your device. Select a photo, choose the image you want to edit. Activate Magic Eraser, tap the Edit button and look for the Magic Eraser icon. It usually resembles a wand or eraser. Choose a brush size, select the appropriate brush size based on the object you want to remove. Trace the object, carefully trace around the object you wish to eliminate. The app will automatically generate a mask to indicate the area to be removed. Remove the object, tap the Erase button to remove the object. Adjust the mask, if necessary, use the Undo and Redo buttons to fine-tune the mask and ensure accurate removal. Save the changes. Once you're satisfied with the results, save the edited image to your Google Photos library. Comparison to other similar technologies. While Magic Eraser offers a convenient and effective way to remove objects from photos, it's not the only tool available. Other popular photo editing apps and software also provide similar features, such as cloning tools and content-aware fill. However, Magic Eraser's ability to automatically generate accurate masks and its integration with Google Photos sets it apart from many competitors. Vinny and the Magic Eraser. Vinny, a tech-savvy individual, was eager to try out the Magic Eraser feature. One day, while looking through old photos, he stumbled upon a picture of himself at a family gathering. Unfortunately, there was an unwanted photobomber in the background. Determined to remove the intruder, Vinny launched Google Photos and selected the image. He traced around the photobomber, tapped Erase, and waited for the magic to happen. To his surprise, the photobomber disappeared, but so did a significant portion of the background scenery. Vinny had accidentally erased too much, leaving the photo looking rather strange. Laughing at his own mishap, Vinny realized that while Magic Eraser was a powerful tool, it required careful use to achieve desired results. Thank you for watching. We hope this article has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of Google's Magic Eraser. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or simply looking to clean up your vacation snaps, this tool can be a valuable asset. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks, and don't forget to share and like this video. This article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. Thank you for watching, and God bless.